In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your ThinkTrader account to TradingView. So the first thing you want to do is go to TradingView.com and you want to sign into your account or create one in case you don't have one yet. And after this, you want to go over here, hover over products and click on Supercharts. Now, once you do that, here at the bottom, you want to go to the last tab, which is Trading Panel, and you want to make sure to make this a bit bigger so you can see it easier. And then you want to look for Think Markets. Now, over here for me, it's going to be at the 5th spot, as you can see, but if you can't see it over here, click on All Brokers and find it here on the list. So after you find it, click on Think Markets and then press Connect. And just like this, it's going to open up this site over here where you can connect your Think Markets account. So put in your email and your password that you use to log into Think Markets or your ThinkTrader account. And after that, click Login, and then you're good to go. You've successfully connected your Think Markets or ThinkTrader account to TradingView. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.